Hi guys, and welcome back to The Portrait Guru with me, Haydn Simmons. And in today's video, I'm going to share my honest personal review of these brush pens and also my recommendation out of 5 stars so you can see if you want to purchase them yourself. They're by a brand called Staedtler and they are watercolour brush pens. As a side note, I'm not sponsored in any way for this video, so it is my personal review. Even though some of you might not like shopping at Amazon, it currently has over 4,000 reviews on there and it is rated 4.5 stars on that website.
Some of my drawings using these mighty pens. I've been using the Staedtler brush pens for a while now. And as you can see from my live drawings here, they've become one of my go-to tools. I take them with me to all of my untutored live drawing sessions every week, where I love experimenting with different poses, materials and paper types, like plain paper and sugar paper it works great on. What I really enjoy is how versatile they are. Whether I'm sketching a quick 2-minute pose or a longer study, and it's not just for life drawing. I also use them to add finishing touches to my paintings, like in this Taylor Swift portrait. The colour depth and precision helps me pull out small details that really make a painting pop and finishes off the piece. That final layer of colour with these pens really brings everything together. My honest pen review. I actually own 3 sets of these pens, which probably tells you how much I rate them. They've got a great amount of ink and the colours are really vivid. Staedtler always has been a trusted brand, and I think this set definitely lives up to that reputation. I've got the 18 pack here, which really gives a nice range of tones to work with. You've got a brush tip on one side, perfect for expressive strokes, and a fine tip on the other for controlled details and outlines. Let's take a closer look. You can see here I'm unboxing it and laying them out. They're nicely designed, packaged and comfortable to hold. The line quality of these drawing pens. Now in my sketchbook, I love experimenting with both ends of the pen. You can layer the colours easily thanks to their transparent nature, which gives this a really nice blending effect. They work great on top of other media too, like pencil, acrylic, pen, and even a bit of watercolour if you want to create a softer wash effect. You can also get quite playful with your colour mixing. Here I'm layering blues, reds and yellows, so you can see how I can build up an image with these pens into something more dynamic. One thing to note though, they can bleed through thinner sketchbook paper. The one I'm using here isn't particularly heavy in terms of paper thickness, and while it holds up pretty well, you'll notice some ghosting on the back of the page. Not a major deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you're using lightweight paper. These pens don't give off any bad smell as well, which makes it even better. They're bold, they're colourful and they're expressive, and they're full of energy. And that's what I love about these pens. They encourage you to loosen up, play, and also get creative. They handle line work beautifully. You can get expressive, varied marks from fine, delicate lines to bold, sweeping strokes, all by just switching the ends and the grip of your pen. Would I recommend these drawing pens?
So you might have gathered that I'm a big fan of this drawing set. It has a wide array of colours, from the yellows, the reds, the greens, to the purples, to the more darker tones, and it really creates a rich and vivid mark on the page. Like you saw in the video, I have a pack of not just 1, 2, but 3 packs of this drawing set, and I absolutely love them. I agree with the Amazon reviews, which rated it 4.5 stars. I would actually rate them 5. I see absolutely nothing wrong with this drawing set. It has great colours, it's vivid, it doesn't leave a smell when you're drawing with it. Do let me know about what you think about this drawing set by giving me a comment below. Like this video if you found this information helpful, and subscribe to the Portrait Guru so you don't miss any future videos. And I highly recommend you checking out this video coming up.